Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video we are going to paint a sunflower. Now flowers are actually very easy, though they look very intimidating. So I tried to make it as easy as possible. Kids can just watch this video and literally follow it step by step. It cannot be easier than this. So here you see me just making a draft, a small guideline for myself where I want my petals to be, and just trying out what colors I want them to have. So once I'm done, you do not have to follow any particular size for the petals. As you know, in nature we have flowers of all different petal sizes, leaf sizes and shapes. So I did not really pay attention to the exact details how a sunflower petal looks like, because that would be very precise, and my aim of making this video was majorly to make it simple that anybody can literally paint. You don't have to have a pencil line below the painting to show you exactly where to draw the paint. So I just made a few dashes and I just added petals as I go along. Once it was done, it looks very messy at the moment, but once it was done, I added my second layer of coloring. Now here, just to make sure that it is a little distinct from the base layer, I added a bit of orange to the yellow so that it is a little darker. And that's about it. So just fill in the petals. There is no right or wrong. As I said, the main intention is that anybody should be able to draw this painting at least, because this is as easy as it gets. Then after the two layers, the third layer, the more in to the center of the flower you would go. The idea is to go darker. Because if you even look at a flower, the edges of the flower petals are usually lighter and the center would be the darkest. So here you see me adding the third layer of petals. Now any point of time, if you think you have added a little extra color, or the water is too much on your paper, because these are three different layers, you can just use a dry paper tissue and just put it exactly on top of your wet petal, and it will just soak up the color as well as the water. It may not clean it up entirely, it doesn't work like an eraser, but it does do a pretty good job, because then you can introduce another layer of color and it will just it would be like it was never there. So as you see, I've just made the basic petals in front, and I'm just filling up the gaps with small petals at the back, just to give it the illusion that it's a very thick flower, with a lot of petals. Now at the end, we come to the center of the flower. Over here, I just tried to cover the lines that I made. Now the intention behind making all these dots is again the layering effect for me. At the end of it, we are not going to see all these dots, but once we paint it over with a very light thin coat of just the basic color and water, it will just reflect that there is a lot of dots under it, as you will see in a minute. My intention, as I said, was just to cover the colors and not use any specific guides. I did not want to use any markers or any pencils or for drawing. I just wanted to show how easy it is to straight away paint. So it took me a bit of time just to get the look I wanted. You can stop at any time. If you feel more comfortable, or if you want to make it easier, you can just make a circle and end up making several small circles in the center, just to give that authentic sunflower look. As I said, art is all about how you feel, so just play with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.